What's that?
This is the video for you to say hi to Mom.
Hi, Gan.
Gan? Ooh, you're naughty.
I'll get in trouble.
Yes, you will.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you're having a good day today?
I'm having a good day. I had a bath, and then I got in bed and actually got in bed and
Didn't want to be
enjoyed
there?
it.
You did or did not enjoy it?
I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So everything went well.
Good. Well, you look good. You look handsome.
I do?
Oh, yeah. You always do.
Oh, you know, I'm always grouchy.
I never said that.
Yeah.
No, I think you're a handsome, nice feller.